Hello everyone. I wanted to run through really quickly something that gets really complicated as you start doing HTML, and that is inserting images into your HTML documents and making sure they actually show up when you're all finished and done. So right here you will notice I actually have a blog written here, and I'm going to delete the images out so I can show you guys how to do this. So right now, this is the structure I've got: a basic paragraph and a couple of headers with other text in this. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to actually go to File, Save As, and make sure that you save this document. And it's going to ask you where you want to save it, and make sure you remember the folder that you're actually putting this in. So for me, I'm putting it in a folder on my Dropbox, and I've got my images that I want to insert in that same folder. That is what's really important, because if they're off in a different folder and you try inserting them, it's going to insert a path that is not going to be valid once you save it, zip it, and upload it to Canvas, and then I download it. I'm not going to have the same path as your computer does. So instead, you want to make sure those images are already saved in the same folder as your file, your index file. And you're going to go up to Insert, Image, and then first I'm going to insert a photo of myself. It's way too large, so I'm going to delete the height, and I'm just going to make the width 300 so that it makes it a lot smaller. This does take a little bit of time to update if you're trying to do the split screen instead of just the code screen in Dreamweaver. This does take quite a bit of time to update, so you'll notice it's not really updated yet, but that's okay. I'm going to insert one more image, and this one will be of my family. And again, it loves to give a big, huge width and height, and I'm going to change that to only the width, and I'm just going to make it 400. Now, when I save this document, and then I go and in Chrome, I say open file, and I open my blog HTML document. Notice my images are in the same folder. That is key. And when I click open, you can actually see my images. That is how you want to go ahead and zip it. So if I were going to zip this, what I would do is I would actually select my blog HTML file and both of my images. And then I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to go ahead and say compress. It's different on a PC. You're going to say zip. But when I say compress, it's compressing all three of those files into one zip file. That's the file that you're going to upload to Canvas. So I hope this has helped. If you still don't understand, please reach out to me and I will help as much as I can.